Do this immediately after you upload your video before you make it public. After creating content, the next thing for us is just to go and post it and public it, then you leave it there. You are doing it the wrong way. You know that there are some action you need to take and you need to check if they're in place before you make your video go public, which I know that a lot of new YouTubers are making this mistake, and that is what is making you not to get the views that you want, or even make YouTube to recommend your videos. If you did not do things right, why will YouTube recommend your videos if everything is not properly done? So you see, you have to make these things properly done for YouTube to start recommending your videos before you will get the views, which is what I will be showing you the secret actions you need to take before you make your video go public. Before we continue this video, please a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Now let's dive into the video. First thing for you to do before you make your video go public is always rewatch your video. Yet it is very important for you to rewatch your video if you didn't enjoy watching your video. So how then the viewers you're going to post those videos to, how will they enjoy watching it? So you need to rewatch that video to check if there's any error. You watch it because the YouTube algorithm will know that okay, you've watched the video before you make it go public. To enjoy watching your video before you make it go public. Now the second thing for us to do is create a captivating title. It is very important for us to create a captivating title because that is what the viewers will first see before they click on your video. Yes, that title is actually telling them what the video is all about. Thirdly, create a description. Some of us, I came across a new YouTuber. She didn't create a description. I was like, okay, how do you want someone to watch a video without a description? Or how do you want YouTube to recommend this video out there without your keywords? Because description is just like you putting in the keywords of what that video is all about, which is where SEO comes in, right? So we have to put in those keywords that are searchable so that once someone goes to search for anything related to your video or what you put in your keywords, YouTube is going to recommend your video to them. So that is why description is very important. I know sometimes it can be difficult for us to create description, right? But if you don't have any idea of how to create description, just go to WhatsApp Mentor AI. It is very easy for you to create a short description from WhatsApp. Create a catching thumbnail. Like, it is very important for us to create a catching thumbnail. Some of us don't put in those work in our thumbnail. You don't know that your thumbnail is just like representing your brand. Yeah, let me just say representing your channel. Yes, so you have to put in those work. I'm not saying that you should make it too colorful, but just make it simple and unique, outstanding, that will make them know what the video is all about, and also clickable. Let your thumbnail pass message to your viewers. You understand? Let it pass the message of that particular video. So creating a catching thumbnail is very important. The last one is reply to all pending message. It is very important for us to reply to all pending message. A lot of creators don't reply to messages. So if you don't reply to messages, how will your subscribers or your viewers or your audience come back to watch your video once they know that you don't reply them? They might drop a very important question for you to help them go through that question, for you to reply them. But some of you don't reply messages. Before you post your video, make it go public, make sure you reply to all pending messages or even pin those messages. So it is very important for us to do this before we upload our video, before we make it go public. It will make algorithm to even love your channel more. So believe me when I say that after you've done all of these I've listed, you're going to see how your channel is going to be recommended by YouTube. You're going to see changes in your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Bye.